It's your girl Miss Wish Bawu checking in, and I'm back with another video. Let's get into it. So I cut my ear tabs out, use my lace spray and my blow dryer to conceal my ball cap method. Now I'm just checking the sides to make sure everything is concealed correctly. I go in and I cut around my edges, and I'm going to tie the back of that extra cap in the back. And I'm finna jump in with my foundation and my lace glue. I use 6 layers of the Erica J lace glue, can be found on her website. I go back in with the foundation on the back of my lace, and now I'm putting my wig on, securing everything in with the glue. I go in and I cut out that extra lace. I cut out the top first so I make sure everything is perfect for my liking. Double checking the ear tabs. Now this side started lifting a little bit because I didn't let it dry all the way, so I go in with some more glue in my blow dryer. Let's get that lace melted, yes. So I'm just double checking everything. Here I realized that I had cut off my baby hairs for my ear tabs. So what you see is I'm just checking. I'm finna go back in. I'm taking my ponytail out. It was very hard to get that ponytail perfect the way I like it. So I'm cutting out my baby hairs. And I'm gonna use my melt band to conceal my lace while I put my ponytail back in. Now I'm about to start working on my baby hairs. I get up to get my tweezers to go in and pluck a little bit more on that side.